Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Blue and yellow color flower frame design. Blue and red color bird border design. Feather frame design. Bird and flower border design. Yellow color flower frame design. Blue and yellow color frame design. Yellow color ribbon border design. Pink and blue color flower frame design. Blue color ribbon border design. Red and green color flower frame design. Yellow and blue color flower border design. Green color ribbon border design. Red and green color flower frame design. Colorful frame design. Red and yellow color flower frame design. Blue color flower frame design. Flower border design.
Thank you so much for watching.
Blue and pink
Support
color
me as like,
flower
share,
border
and
design.
commenting and subscribe.
Yellow and green color